If your search algorithm is anything like mine, you've probably been seeing wooden Christmas trees made from 2x4s all over the internet. They're inexpensive, super DIY friendly, and great for patio or even indoor decor. So, here are 2 beginner-friendly designs you can try for yourself. For this first design, I'm using pressure-treated wood so it holds up better outside. I cut 4 identical pieces, each about 12 inches long, with a 22.5-degree angle on both ends. Then I made the top 2 pieces a little longer and cut them at a 45-degree angle so they meet nicely at the peak. If you're interested in building this tree yourself, here's a picture of the exact measurements and angles that I used. Now once everything was cut, I gave the pieces a quick sanding with 120 grit sandpaper, then marked out a 1 3/4 inch overlap for each piece. After that, this thing was ready for assembly. As a quick halftime intermission, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. It helps a lot in making sure others see it. And if you're just getting into woodworking, I've got links in the description to all the tools and products I use that I haven't regretted buying. So check those out if you're looking for some reliable, tried and tested stuff. Now, back to the project. I used Titebond 3 wood glue since it's waterproof and reinforced things with 18 gauge brad nails while the glue dried. Then just a little bit of paint and this tree is all finished. Now on to design number 2, and I'm going to fast forward to the assembly since all the prep work and measurements are all the same. Now for this one I used untreated lumber so it can be used inside. Pressure-treated wood is toxic and should only be used outdoors. I assembled this one a little differently. Instead of brad nails, I used screws, but I recessed each screw hole so I could plug it in with wood dowels. Once everything is sanded and painted, these plugs are nearly invisible. The next thing I did differently for this design was the base. I like the simplicity of the first tree, but I wanted this one to be a little more secure, so I made what's called a half lap joint. To do this, I lined up the halfway point on 2 different 2x4s where I wanted to make my cuts. Then, I set my table saw to cut exactly half the thickness of the board. I then made a series of curve cuts across that section and cleaned out the remaining waste with a chisel. Now there are a lot of parts of woodworking that I really enjoy, but snapping out those little pieces with a chisel is definitely near the top of the list. Once the first board is all cleaned up, it's just a matter of duplicating the same steps on the second board. The 2 pieces should match together perfectly, and with just a little bit of wood glue, you end up with a really solid joint. The final design difference with the second tree is that I decided to add 2 boards in the center of the frame. With just a few quick cuts at a 22.5-degree angle, I was able to slide in 2 small pieces and glue them in place. These give you some mini shelves to display small decor and things like candles, because that's not a fire hazard. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.